Hello, tea lovers! Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of herbal teas. These aromatic beverages are not only delicious, but also offer a wealth of health benefits. Imagine sipping a warm cup of chamomile tea before bed, or enjoying a refreshing peppermint infusion after a meal. Herbal teas have been enjoyed for centuries for their soothing properties and delightful flavors. Unlike traditional teas, which come from the Camellia sinensis plant, herbal teas are made from various parts of plants, including flowers, leaves, roots, and seeds. Whether you're a seasoned tea enthusiast or just starting your herbal tea journey, I invite you to join me as we explore the art of brewing your own herbal infusions. Let's unlock the secrets of these natural wonders together. Herbal teas, also known as tisanes, are delightful infusions made from steeping a variety of herbs, spices, or other plant materials in hot water. These aromatic blends have been cherished for centuries across different cultures for their soothing and healing properties. Unlike true teas like black tea or green tea, herbal teas do not contain any leaves from the Camellia sinensis plant. This fundamental difference sets them apart and opens up a world of flavors and benefits that are unique to herbal infusions. This distinction is important because it means that herbal teas are naturally caffeine-free, making them a perfect choice for any time of day or night. Whether you're looking to start your morning with a refreshing blend or wind down in the evening with a calming cup, herbal teas have got you covered. The beauty of herbal teas lies in their incredible diversity. Each herb, flower, and spice brings its own unique flavor profile and health benefits, creating a vast array of options to explore. With countless herbs and botanicals to choose from, the flavor possibilities are endless. You can experiment with different combinations to create your own signature blend or stick to classic favorites. From the delicate floral notes of chamomile to the invigorating zest of ginger, each sip offers a new experience. Chamomile is known for its calming effects, while ginger can provide a warming, spicy kick. There's an herbal tea to suit every palate and mood. Whether you prefer something sweet, spicy, floral, or earthy, there's a blend out there waiting for you. Each herb brings its own unique set of characteristics to the cup, resulting in a truly personalized tea experience. The process of blending and brewing herbal teas can be a meditative and rewarding ritual. Let's delve into the world of herbal ingredients and discover their amazing benefits. From boosting immunity to aiding digestion, the potential health benefits of herbal teas are as diverse as their flavors. Herbal teas have long been revered for their therapeutic properties. These natural beverages, made from the infusion of various herbs, flowers, and spices, have been used for centuries across different cultures for their healing benefits. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, these natural infusions offer a wide range of health benefits. From boosting your immune system to aiding digestion, herbal teas are a powerhouse of wellness. Antioxidants, for instance, are powerful compounds that protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and various diseases. Regular consumption of antioxidant-rich herbal teas can help maintain youthful skin and overall health. Many herbal teas possess anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. This can be particularly beneficial for those suffering from chronic conditions such as arthritis or other inflammatory diseases. Chronic inflammation is linked to a number of health issues, so incorporating anti-inflammatory foods and beverages into your diet can be highly beneficial. Herbal teas like ginger, turmeric, and chamomile are excellent choices for this purpose. In addition to their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, herbal teas can support digestion, promote relaxation, boost the immune system, and even aid in weight management. They are a natural way to enhance your overall well-being, and even aid in weight management. By incorporating a variety of herbal teas into your daily routine, you can enjoy a multitude of health benefits while savoring their unique flavors. Let's learn how to brew the perfect cup of herbal tea. From selecting the right herbs to steeping them just right, we'll guide you through the process to ensure you get the most out of every cup. Section 4. Brewing your own herbal tea. A step-by-step guide. Brewing your own herbal tea at home is a simple and rewarding process. Not only does it allow you to customize flavors to your liking, but it also ensures that you know exactly what ingredients are going into your cup. Plus, the ritual of brewing tea can be a calming and meditative experience. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create a delicious and aromatic cup. First, gather your ingredients. You can choose from a variety of herbs such as chamomile, peppermint, or lavender, depending on your taste preferences and the benefits you seek. Start with high-quality dried herbs, which can be found in health food stores or online. Alternatively, you can use fresh herbs from your garden or local market. You can also use tea bags, which are convenient and come in a variety of blends. Fresh herbs, on the other hand, offer a more vibrant flavor and aroma. You can find a wide variety of herbal tea ingredients at health food stores, specialty tea shops, and even some supermarkets. Next, boil fresh water. The quality of your water can significantly impact the taste of your tea. Use filtered or spring water for the best results. Tap water can contain impurities that may alter the flavor of your tea. Bring the water to a boil in a kettle or pot. Make sure the water reaches a rolling boil to extract the full flavor from the herbs. Once the water has reached a rolling boil, pour it over your chosen herbs in a teapot, French press, or mug. The steeping time will vary depending on the type of herbs you're using and your desired strength. Generally, a steeping time of 5 to 10 minutes is recommended for most herbs. However, you can adjust this based on your personal preference. After steeping, strain the tea using a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove any plant material. This ensures a smooth and clear cup of tea. Sweeten your tea with honey, agave nectar, or your preferred natural sweetener, if desired. You can also add a slice of lemon or a sprig of mint for an extra burst of flavor. Enjoy your homemade herbal tea hot or iced, depending on your mood and the weather. Experiment with different combinations of herbs to discover your perfect blend. Remember, the key to a great cup of herbal tea is using fresh, high-quality ingredients and taking the time to enjoy the brewing process. With these simple steps, you can create a soothing and flavorful tea experience right in your own home. Sweeten your tea with honey, agave nectar, or your preferred natural sweetener if desired. Section 5. Tips for the perfect cup. Here are a few additional tips to enhance your herbal tea experience. Experiment with steeping times. Different herbs release their flavors at different rates. Start with a shorter steeping time and gradually increase it until you achieve your desired strength. Use a teapot with a lid. Covering your teapot while steeping helps to trap the heat and allows the herbs to infuse more fully, resulting in a richer flavor. Store herbs properly. To preserve the freshness and flavor of your dried herbs, store them in airtight containers in a cool, dark, and dry place. Get creative with blends. Don't be afraid to experiment with different herb combinations to create your own unique blends. Section 6. Creative herbal tea blends for every occasion. Here are a few creative herbal tea blends to inspire you. Calming Chamomile Blend. Combine chamomile flowers, lavender buds, and a pinch of valerian root for a soothing and relaxing tea that promotes sleep. Immune-boosting elderflower and echinacea tea. Brew a potent blend of elderflower, echinacea, and ginger root to support your immune system during cold and flu season. Digestive peppermint and ginger tea. Mix peppermint leaves, ginger root, and a pinch of fennel seeds for a refreshing and digestive tea that can help soothe an upset stomach. Uplifting hibiscus and rosehip tea. Combine hibiscus flowers, rose hips, and a touch of orange peel for a vibrant and flavorful tea that's rich in antioxidants. Section 7. Embrace the joy of herbal teas. As you embark on your herbal tea adventure, remember that there's no right or wrong way to enjoy these natural wonders. Whether you prefer a simple cup of chamomile or a more elaborate blend, let your taste buds be your guide. Embrace the opportunity to experiment with different herbs, flavors, and steeping times to discover your own personal favorites. So, gather your favorite herbs, put the kettle on, and treat yourself to a cup of homemade herbal tea. Cheers to good health and happy steeping. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe. Every time you like, share, or subscribe, you're helping to spread the message of sustainability.